raw power. Unleashed. Trees vanish. Witness the titans of timber processing. Incredible speed meets unstoppable force. Get ready for the ultimate wood chipper showcase. Impressive setup. That two-pocket rotor design on the 6400T, genius. Fewer, deeper cuts mean bigger chips and less wear. Plus, one guy running the show and stacking high with the telestack? That's peak workflow efficiency right there. The sheer power of that New Holland tractor, guzzling 10 to 16 gallons of diesel an hour, really puts things in perspective. Makes I wonder how many homes could be heated with the wood chips it produces. What do you guys think about the amount of fuel this machine consumes? Seeing how quickly accidents can happen with wood chippers makes you appreciate every finger and toe. Let's prioritize safety. Seriously, wow. That's the first thing I thought seeing that Nussrainer wood saw in action. The way it works, so efficient and precise, is just unbelievable. I've never seen anything quite like it. If you're really into processing firewood, you gotta check this thing out. Ever seen a stump disappear this fast? This John Deere 8100 paired with the Rotor S stump grinder is absolutely wild. Forget those old saw blade types. This vertical cutter chewed through that stump in barely a minute. The low RPM design for safety is a smart touch too. Truly impressive piece of machinery right there. It's a tough watch, seeing flawless stuff destroyed. But maybe, these crushed bits become part of something even more amazing? Hope the end result justifies it. Anyone know what they make? Man, that was some incredible skill right there. That tree was barely hanging on, a real tricky situation. But this guy? He stepped in like it was nothing and just took care of it. The way he moved, so controlled, so sure of himself, it was almost hypnotizing. Seriously amazing. For anyone serious about getting the best yield from their sawmill, the Raver WD 1400 is a must-see. It can handle really big logs of any wood type, which is a huge advantage. The optical system for taking off the bark is spot on, meaning less waste and more lumber. And because it runs smoothly and doesn't break down much, you get a ton of work done efficiently. Observe the seamless integration of the Biber 84 RBZ's material handling system. The automated feed optimizes throughput, while the high-performance chipping unit ensures maximum chip quality. The advanced pneumatic discharge system provides efficient material conveyance. This is a state-of-the-art solution for high-volume wood processing, showcasing cutting-edge engineering. These excavators load chips feels like the pool with a dropper analogy is spot on. Seems like a major bottleneck. Wouldn't a conveyor belt system load that ship much faster and probably use less fuel? Just seems like a mismatch of equipment for the job. Whoa, check out this homemade chip press. Seriously smart, super simple design. Cranks out pellets fast, 7 seconds a pop. Love how it just uses pressure, no heat needed. Anyone curious about power consumption? The journey begins. Can't wait to see the amazing pieces they become. Dude, check out this slick manual log splitter. It's lever operated, using kinetic energy assisted by an automotive coil spring from a Volvo. The real kicker? You can split wood all day without your arm giving out. Compared to engine saws, it's way simpler. Just two main moving parts, the pivot and spring. Keep an eye on those for wear though. Railroad ties coated in nasty creosote? Big problem. But watch this CBI grinder turn that hazardous waste into valuable mulch or biofuel. The coolest part? That massive magnet cleanly strips out all the steel. Smart, efficient recycling in action. Gotta love seeing solutions like this. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. You got a 40-foot tree next to power lines? Man, amateurs shouldn't be touching that. And you can tell these guys have no idea what they're doing. Should have hired real experts right off the bat.
And public services were notified that the tree already tilting that way to begin with. So yeah, that's
Okay, gotta tell you about the Lillehammer stump grinder. If you've ever fought a stubborn stump, you'll appreciate this beast. It's packing a solid 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton and 12 carbide teeth ready to tear through anything. What's cool is it's powerful and portable, not some clunky old machine. This thing is built smart for getting stumps gone, easy peasy. Props to the guy, that homemade chipper is pretty ingenious, gotta say. It clearly works and probably cost pennies to put together. Still, man, that thing looks sketchy as hell. Looks like it could take your hand off if you blink wrong. This chipper is a hungry beast, but the crane operator? He's moving like he's defusing a bomb. Every swing feels like an eternity. Meanwhile, the machine is screaming, "Feed me!" Someone put some adrenaline in this guy's coffee. Let's be real, moving mountains of scrap in a busy port is no joke. You need some serious equipment. That's where the Senebogen 875E crawler shines. The crawler tracks give it crazy stability, even on rough ground. And the cool part? You can totally customize it with different booms and grapples. For mid-river terminals, this just means they can move more stuff, quicker, and with less hassle. That's a big win. Chopping down hardwood trees by hand? That's tough work and can be risky. But check this out. Modern machines like the Rotten H21D with the EGS706 unit are changing the game. This setup lets you safely and precisely fell beech trees, making old-school methods look like a pain. It's a smarter, faster, and way more sustainable way to get the job done. Imagine this, a massive logging machine trapped in thick mud like a prehistoric beast sinking into a swamp. Now what? Do you pull it out with another machine, set up a winch, or get creative? This isn't just about brute force. It's about skill, problem solving, and teamwork. Every stuck machine tells a different story, and getting it free is half the adventure. Man, checking out a sawmill from the inside is intense. That smell of pine is super strong, and the noise level is just off the charts with all the saws and equipment running. Non-stop action. You watch these basic logs roll in, looking all natural, and then they get processed into perfectly cut lumber. Get an inside look at Schaumburg Township Road District's brush pickup. Dave shows how they manage it in unincorporated areas. Learn the tip. Long branches, cut ends roadward, boost efficiency. See the crew start clearing yard waste. A fascinating glimpse into practical community maintenance. From towering timber to manageable material in moments. That's efficiency unleashed. Curious what other mechanical titans we have in store, shaping resources wisely? Hit subscribe. The next showcase of power and purpose awaits.